Well, howdy everybody. How about this nice little 1911 Kimber? It's the extra carry. It's lightweight, fits on your belt, under your arm, real comfortable. Beautiful gun. 45 caliber, clear. It's got ambidextrous safeties on it. It's got a red dot sight on it. Here's the button. Let's see if we can. I can't see you. There you are, right there. There you are. Nice little weapon. 45 caliber. It's got the night sights on it, the 3 white dots, 2 and 1. Pretty little gun. Nice, real nice. Really decent. Kimber doesn't make a bad gun. Oh, the grips are laser grips, custom grips. We'll take it out to the range, put some rounds through it, bring it back home and tear it apart, clean it. At least I'll show you how I do it. Tell me in the comments how you like these old guns. I'll keep putting them out there. Thank you for watching. Okay, let's start with Kimber 45. Extra, small one, nice and clean. We're to range, so all range rules qualify here. All weapons have to be on the table. All weapons have to be locked open. No ammunition passed behind you or no weapons behind you here. I'm at girder. Let's put some holes in some paper. Kimber doing its work, doing its job. It's clear. Yep, right there. There you go. That's the Kimber right there. Bam, 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 bam. Pull one. This is with the red dot. Apparently the red dot's not really zero. Shooting a little high left. Not too bad though. All right, I've kind of told you something about this little gun. We've taken it out the range, put some rounds through it. You saw the target. It's a nice shooting little gun. Pretty accurate, nothing to it really. Breaks down just like a standard 1911. Come back here, right there to the point, and out she kind of came out. Yeah, she did. Out she comes. Woo! Pops right off. Break it down like that. There's the barrel assembly. Just pops off like this. She comes right out. Spring tube. Barrel comes right out. Field strip for cleaning. Run a little patch with a brush down the barrel. Looks pretty good. Finish up on your loading ramp there. You have 2 inside slides on the slide. I like to brush those down. A little oil on my toothbrush. I use this right here. It's pretty good. I've been using it for a long time. It works out real well. Leaves a nice thin coat. Hit the face of the firing pin. Run the slides on your handle. Everything looks usable, workable. Then I always take and go back and wipe down a little bit and get most of my excess off. That one's already been. I need to wipe that down a little bit. I think that's probably good. Should go back together just about as easy as it came apart. Barrel slide in here. Tube to hold the spring slides in here. See, these kind of match the barrel. These kind of match the barrel, so we just drop it in and slide it over. Okay, the spring assembly will go right in, just like that. Goes right behind that assembly, right onto the barrel. Slides right up on the top of the barrel, just like that. Real simple. And it all slides. Okay, should slide back in place. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. We're there. Line it up right here with this little space. Pin ought to just drop right in. Say hello. Ready to go. Rock and roll. Clean and ready to go back in the case.